Hello everybody, and if you saw in my last videos, the ones where it shows my face, I've been burpified. One of my thumbnails look like I'm gonna burp. Isn't that just so weird? And then the one where I said I've been burpified, I'm looking up like, yep, that's my dream. Oh yeah, that's my dream. But anyways, we are going to be playing more The Escapist. Yep, episode 2 in medium. So let's click start. Very easy, medium. Continue. Wow, look at those guys exercising in their underwear. Whoa. In case you guys haven't gotten the new update for Clash Royale, you should. It's like sick. It is roll call. Oh shoot. I've also been coughified. Midday roll call episode 2. I saw in a video that someone made a super sock mace, so I think you can get that if you combine 2 sock maces. So right now I'm looking for 2 socks. Shoot. Oh, no. Minute and a half in, and I've already gotten hit. So I need two socks and 1 more bar of soap. So I'm going to be searching them cells. 1 soap and 2 socks. Yeah, because then I'm going to test if you can create a double sock mace, aka a super sock mace. Phew! You better bless me. I did. What about this cell? You guys told me to move away from this side. Okay. Caught in the act. Let's go outside where I ended the video last time. Wee. Thought we were friends, Cheds. Hey, it says I have 3 hearts left. How can I be dead? I want that sock, though. I want the socks. I also want soap. What? Dinner? I don't care about your freaking dinner. Freaking dinner. That means there's going to be less guards. No. God, you almost saw me. You almost saw Jimmy, my friend. I'm Jimmy. Wait, how many favors do I have? I swear I have one where I need to give someone a paper cup. Oh, okay. Shoot, they're right there. Please open your desk. Taylor. Oh. He's gotten some files. Don't mind me if I take those. Okay, now let's make 1. He updated it. Clash Royale. Exorcist, no. Shoot. I don't care. Shoot. Wait. Can I load that from anywhere? No. now I need 2 bars of soap and 2 socks. We're just gonna work our way from the top down. Alexander, my man, you have to have one. He has a duct tape and some file. He also has a comb, toothpaste, and talcum powder. Gosh, that guy must be crafty. I don't do no showers. I don't do no showers. I don't do dim showers. Dim showers. In case you haven't seen all my other videos, I like to sing. Except I know that I'm annoying with it, so I try to annoy people by singing. Oh no, you didn't. We're working my way from the top and down. Okay, gosh. She's still there. Okay. Okay, let's go. It's my free period. My free period. Oh yeah. Now there's one more desk I need to get. Ooh, sock. Now I can make a sock mace and put it as my weapon. Craft. Boom. Boom. Sock mace. Let's put it there. Let's do that. I heard a guard wants a beat down. Chads for beating me up earlier. Chads. I'll call you Chads. It's a way better name. Face it. They're so rude. Can I loaf up nothing? She'll sing. That's on so it's on this desk. Oh, I don't know. Oh, can we put this on the toilet? No. I think when you get your cell checked, I think you can put your desk at the door. That way they can just completely skip everything. That way they can't walk in on you. So I'm gonna try that. I already got a bars. Waiting on karma. Okay. McLean sucks. Okay, gosh. I guess all guards suck. Being so rude to an old man. Gosh. Sir Chad, I hate you. I don't even care this time. As you know, my nickname's Rage Boy. Let's go. Evening roll call. It was not a productive day. Holy shoot. If I get my cell toss, I'm just gonna go like that and get all the contraband out. There's some contraband. Guess I'll just flush this file. No. My Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Yes, I would like to sleep till morning. That way you can save my dang game. I'm the first one awake. I'm the first one awake. First, let me move my cell. Not my cell. You know what I mean. Line up, you maggots. Guess I'll just flush this. What's the harm in that? Don't overflow on me. I'm just gonna do this, and this. Won't let me, but I want to flush. Me. Dang it. How do... Oh, there's a certain time on when you can flush. That makes sense. I'm just gonna flood someone else's. My goal of the day is to flood a cell. Or just, I don't know. It's not working. Gary. Putting two things in your cell. Flush. Only lets you do it one at a time. Why won't you dang work? Flush. There we go. Gonna overflow? No, it did not overflow. Let's go to this guy's. The Jegs. Gregs. Jiggity Gregs. I know that's not my cell. I just want to overflow something. Feel a wrath. I don't like to feel your wrath. Your dang wrath. What the frick? Get off my back. You maggot. You guys call us a maggot? I'll call you a maggot. What do I have now? 5 guards chasing me? 6 guards? 4 guards. Good. Oh, shoot. 5. Run. I'm gonna get shot. Gosh. Anyways, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. Maybe if I check on the time of the video. It's 13 minutes. Yeah, so please subscribe and like this video. And remember, today is a double upload because I love Escapists. And I almost flooded the cells. Didn't really get anything done today. So, anyways, guys, high five and byes.